What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Shot Shooter, aka J Shields, back with another video, a new top 10 scary ghost videos of the month. I'm gonna get to it. He ain't dropped a video, so I ain't been releasing it. He ain't dropped a video for a while. Like when I was catching up, when I was showing you guys, when I was reacting to all his other ghost videos, those are older videos, and I caught up. But after this, since I'm caught up, I had business going on. I'll be uploading and dropping other reactions to other things again. So be ready for your boy. Let's go.
Late one night in Mexico City, a concerned woman calls the local police saying that she hears strange, unexplained noises coming from her son's apartment just above her. The problem is, her son is out of town and the apartment should be empty. The police quickly arrive on the scene, but they don't find anyone inside. No robber, no trespasser. However, the officers do hear strange noises like banging and the low murmur of voices. They are concerned that someone might be hiding inside the residence. So, the officers radio headquarters and ask that a nearby public CCTV camera be focused on the windows of the upstairs apartment. What the camera captures is downright chilling.
What? They're transparent through the fucking curtain. Bro, it's like multiple families there,
The CCTV camera captures the ghostly figures of 3 children looking out the window as the police leave. The apartment building's longtime security guard claims that every 10 years this same strange phenomenon happens, and no one knows how or why. He says that no children have ever lived in that apartment, so he has no idea who or what this might be. To this day, the footage remains a mystery.
The spirit finally found something, like, hey, we found a home.
Wisman's Wood. It's a dark and rainy day when a teenager and his 2 younger sisters set out to explore the haunted Wisman's Wood in Devon, England. Local legend says that the haunted forest was once considered sacred ground by the ancient Druids, and that any hiker should stay away from the woods at night or during bad weather. The 3 siblings have been walking for about an hour when the older brother decides to make a short video complaining about the rain. What happens next is truly bizarre.
Rain? They got bad weather.
Now it is.
Rain is bad weather.
Down. These 2 are doing my head in. It's getting dark. It's really dark. I have no idea where the dog is. What?
Did you see it?
Oh, they said you'll be murdered.
A dark, eerie figure seems to be staring at them before quickly disappearing out of sight. The video was posted to YouTube by a friend of the family who believes they might have caught some sort of paranormal sighting in Wisman's Wood.
Doing my head in. It's getting dark. It's really dark. I have no idea where the dog is. What?
And a happy new year.
Them kids kept
TikTok user Sav is celebrating New Year's Eve with her mother when something happens that they simply can't explain.
Alright. Ready? Wait, let's make sure we're moving down. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Straight up. Oh. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh! I can get it. Twist it. Woo! Happy New Year's! Happy New Year! That has not worked! Hold on! Okay. No, it worked, but we just haven't. That has not. I've twisted it! That has not worked! That's my dad's snow globe!
Like, we designated that to, like, be my dad.
Oh my god. What the
Sav's father passed away nearly a year and a half ago, and the family displays his snow globe to remember him, as Sav says that the puppy in the globe actually looks a lot like her dad. However, the snow globe hasn't worked for a long time, but just as Sav and her mother pop confetti to celebrate the new year, the globe inexplicably starts playing We Wish You a Merry Christmas, beginning right at the part of the song that contains the line, "And a Happy New Year."
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! That has not worked!
Sav believes that it was a sign from her father, that he's still there, and he's still watching over them. The Watcher in the woods.
That's good.
A guy named Ryan lives with his mom and little sister out in the remote woods of the Ouachita Mountains in Oklahoma. One day at around 5 p.m., Ryan is outside shoving a Christmas tree into the trunk of his car,
Like the Grinch.
as you do, when his security camera captures something truly unnerving.
Boy, he would have been out of there.
Someone or something seems to walk through the woods towards Ryan, then bend over and just kind of disappear into thin air. Ryan says that he didn't see or hear anyone at the time, and after viewing the footage, the family is concerned that a stranger might have been trespassing on their land. But obviously, they can't explain how this person could have just disappeared. So is this something paranormal caught on camera? Or is it something even scarier? A stranger hiding in the remote woods near a family's home. Before we move on to the next video, if you see anything that you think should be included in the top 5, contact us at nukestop5@gmail.com. Not out of the woods. Belgian urban explorer and vlogger Siaz sets out on a trip to a large abandoned campsite in Belgium with 3 of his friends. The group arrives at the campsite after dark and begins exploring.
Man, why y'all go
Now,
after
Siaz has
dark?
visited the same abandoned campgrounds 3 times.
I don't
But
understand
as the
why
group
they
walks
do
down
that
a
at
dark wooded path,
night.
he spots something that wasn't there before.
Hier is de
Y'all
ingang,
looking to see some,
de poort.
some weird ass shit, man.
privaat. Dit is in plaats van gebed, gelief onze ruimte respecteren, gebed. En daar staat op, pas op, waakhond. Ik ben hier heel lang geleden eens geweest en stond hier vol met bungalows, met campings, met caravans,
Y'all gonna ignore the
mobielhomes,
sign, right?
midden in het bos, allemaal verspreid, super vet. En ineens is hier
Y'all
een
gonna
waakhond.
ignore the...
Maar dat is gewoon tak. Ja, dat hebben ze hier gewoon zelf gemaakt. Kijk, dat is, maar dat is hier gewoon een zigeunerkamp of een hippie-camping of zo geworden. Hallo? Maat, ik hoor voetstappen. Ik hoor van alles hier. Dit is zo fucking eng.
All them creatures got better hearing than you and everything, man.
Mogen wij hier binnenkomen?
So the guys are a little creeped out by the makeshift signs and barrier. They decide to just play it safe and walk away, taking an official public path back through the woods. But it turns out that they are not safe at all, because things are about to take a terrifying turn.
We zijn iets verder gewandeld en dit blijkt, ja, gewoon een wandelpad te zijn. Dus hier kunnen wij wandelen.
Y'all walk that
Waar rijdt
far
hier?
away from y'all car.
Autobanden. Wat de Dat is toch niet mijn auto of zo, hè? Hier wordt letterlijk iemand gemarteld. Hier wordt letterlijk iemand gemarteld in dat bos. Dit is heel Hallo? 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 What the
Yo, what the fuck? Oh!
Hey!
Whoa. Rewind that. Rewind. Dude.
Dit is heel Hallo? 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 What the
Y'all, she wouldn't even got that close to me.
Hey!
I'm out, bro. Dip, 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 motherfucker.
The events are like something right out of a horror movie as Ciaz and his friends hear loud screaming coming from somewhere in the dark woods. Then a tall woman dressed in a white robe and wearing white face paint comes lumbering out of the forest, brandishing a hatchet. She charges at the group and they make a run for it. Ciaz gets separated from his friends and hides in the dark woods.
And ladies and gentlemen, that is why.
Hallo? Hallo? Je moet nu naar hier komen. Kom alsjeblieft heel snel.
Ciaz hears loud noises coming from the direction of his car and he's worried that there might be more than one person out searching for them in the woods. He decides to just hide in the darkness until the police arrive.
Ja, ik ben het. Ja, is goed. Ja. Ja.
Moet even uw jas open doen. Jas open doen, ja. Goed, omdraaien. Uw jas open. Jas omhoog.
Omhoog.
Ja, kijken dat je niks op staat hebt.
Is that thing behind him or whoever?
Doe maar hoor.
Wait, whoa, what did you say? The woman comes walking out the woods.
Jij ook blijven.
Blijf staan!
Ready? Van vroeger, ja, dat is eraf gedaan. Ja, die is er vanaf geknokken.
Stop daar eens! Maar dit is gewoon... Hé, niet kalm!
Nee, ik ben goed.
Hé, ligt er niet aan. Mevrouw, dit is de laatste keer. Hier blijven!
Maar wat is het?
Je gaat hier blijven.
Ofwel moet ik nemen mevrouw mee, ofwel moet ik hier blijven.
Wait. Whoa, this a lit ass video or clip right here, Noop. This is lit right, bro. What? Boy, I ain't going with her.
Vanaf nu luister naar mij.
From now on, listen to me. I'm not going to.
Nee, ik ga niet luisteren.
Hé! Beetje respect hebben voor me tegen, ja?
Dat is geen respect hebben voor mij. Nee, dat gaan we niet doen.
Mevrouw?
Man.
Nee, dat gaan we niet doen. Dat gaan we niet doen. Nee!
Oké, gedaan. Nu is het gedaan, ja? Pak die land.
Ik weet niet of ik nog wil rijden eigenlijk. Moet ik rijden? Ik drill. Dit is niet normaal.
Now, even though the woman charged at the guys with a hatchet, even though she ripped the license plate off Ciaz's car, and even though she's uncooperative with police, no arrest is made and the woman is let go with a warning. Which kinda makes me wonder if they have laws in Belgium. Because, what?
Boy.
But anyway, this whole crazy story got picked up by Belgium National News.
De Hasseltse vlogger Ciaz heeft afgelopen donderdag de schrik van zijn leven beleefd.
Boy.
It turns out that the 42-year-old woman has been living at the old campsite illegally, and local authorities have been trying to build a case to have her removed. Nearby residents say that they don't feel safe walking in or even near the woods. You can watch the entire video of this creepy experience over on Ciaz's YouTube channel.
Boy.
Puppy Poltergeist. Reddit user Last Mammoth 895 from Philadelphia,
sometimes
Pennsylvania
people are
is away at
scarier
work.
than ghosts.
His home security camera records
on
as his
what
dogs
spirits
Frank
are
and
evil.
Mac are resting in the living room. What happens next is truly bizarre. Dogs Frank and Max suddenly get spooked by something and a closet door opens by itself. When Reddit
other
user
dog
Last
like,
Mammoth
I'm outta
895 looks back at the security footage, he makes a chilling discovery. Just before the closet door opens, an unexplained voice seems to whisper, "Hiya." Last Mammoth 895 says that he has always been skeptical of the supernatural, but he has no explanation for what happened here. So what do you think?
No, sir.
Is this something paranormal, or is it just some dogs randomly freaking out and some strange noise that
No, sir.
sounds like a whisper? You decide. Hide and seek. In this next
That don't
creepy
even
video,
sound
a
good.
babysitter is looking after a 5-year-old girl while her mother is traveling out of town. Everything seems to be going well, until the little girl tells the babysitter a very strange secret about her favorite doll.
Oh, hell no.
What you doing over there? Nice. What was it that you told me earlier about your doll?
When I play hide and seek with my doll, it moves.
You said it moves?
Yeah.
That doll? This doll?
Yeah.
That dog look creepy.
You said it moves?
Yeah.
Like you move it, or? What? When does it move?
When I play hide and seek with her.
When you play hide and seek?
Yeah.
The 5-year-old claims that the
It
doll
looked like a
actually
real
moves
skeleton.
on its own when she plays hide and
like
seek
real
with it. The
skeleton.
babysitter is a bit creeped out, but his morbid curiosity gets the better of him, and he decides to test the doll himself. It did not go well.
We're playing hide and seek. Oh my god!
Shit!
Sandy, you scared me. Don't do that, dude.
Now, the doll doesn't move, but the family dog Sadie gives him a good jump scare nonetheless.
Woo! Bruh, I was so focused on the doll. My guy, bro. Oh my god, bro. Bruh, oh shit. That got me, bro. Yeah, that got me. That got me.
However, the dog's playful demeanor soon changes, and she begins to behave very strangely.
The dog has been staring at the doll. Looking at it. I'm kind of freaked out right now.
Cut to later that same night. The 5-year-old girl is now fast asleep in bed upstairs, and the babysitter is watching TV on the couch. He suddenly hears something that sends a chill down his spine.
Turn the light on or something. What the?
Yo.
A toy is playing music from the other room, and when the babysitter walks over to check it out, he is shocked to see the doll move by itself. Now, unfortunately, as usual these days, these videos were posted to TikTok without a source, so I have no idea what happened next. The story of the creepy moving doll remains a mystery. Caught
I
on
don't
trail
care,
cam.
that dog
And now for something a
scared
bit
me the
different,
most,
as in this
bruh.
next video, something very strange is captured on a remote trail camera.
Oh, that's they call skinwalkers, right? That's a weird ass. It looks like it can stand on its hind legs. And it turns his head.
A humanoid figure on all fours can be seen slowly moving through the woods in the dark of night. What makes the footage so unsettling is just how thin and pale the figure appears to be, and when it looks at the camera, glowing eyes. So is this a creature caught on camera, or is it all just an elaborate hoax?
Man, that
You
shit
decide.
real, bro. They be coming out
The
when
Old
people
Ritz
ain't
Theater.
even up.
Paranormal investigator Steve Cutter reached out to us about his recent investigations with Broken Wings Paranormal at the Ritz Theater in Tooele, Utah. The movie house opened in 1939 and is said to be extremely haunted. Steve believes that the group may have
always
caught
the old
evidence of
shit.
paranormal activity inside the theater.
Just as we begin our portal session, you can clearly see we are all in the room. LaDawn is sitting in the back of the theater. Watch the doorway on the right side in the back of the theater. You will see an apparition walk towards the bathrooms, and then just a few seconds later you see the same apparition walk back. This cannot be a person, because as you can see in this still, a person has full features even in the back of the theater. Amazingly enough, this was captured on both of the DVR cameras.
Oh man. They don't.
An unidentified figure can be seen walking back and forth in the hallway at the back of the theater. But that's not the only strange thing that the group captures on camera.
Sir.
Broken Wings paranormal investigator Erica has a very creepy experience in the theater's projection room.
You need to answer us.
I've told the best boy.
Who's the best?
Oh my god, something just stroked my god hair.
Are you sure you didn't hit that extension cord?
No.
Erica's hair moves by itself, almost as if touched by something we can't see. Later, the Broken Wings paranormal group join together in the theater as they try to contact any spirits that might inhabit the old auditorium. That's when a static camera captures another truly bizarre event.
1939, that's still a nice little theater though.
Suzanne. I feel things starting to come into the theater, almost like a show is about to start and there's stuff like starting to shuffle into the theater. It might be residual, but it feels like there's stuff starting to come down the aisles and fill into the seats. Especially on this side right here on the right.
Over here? Maybe they're here to watch Brad.
Another unidentified figure can be seen slowly walking through the aisle towards the investigators before it simply disappears into thin air. So with all these creepy captures, could it be that the Ritz Theater is truly haunted? Let me know what you think. You can watch this entire investigation and many more over on the YouTube channel, Broken Wings Paranormal.
Yeah.
The Dark Before Dawn. It's 5:20 in the morning when Nuke's Top 5 viewer Paul Lynch leaves his home in North Hampshire, England to go to work. But as he heads out the door, this happens.
Whoa, he said good morning? The camera didn't see nothing, but he must have seen it.
Someone nearby can be heard casually saying, "Morning, mate," but there's no one there. Now, Paul automatically responds to the mysterious nearby greeting, but he's confused when he looks around and sees no one. No neighbors, no strangers walking their dog, just no one. Paul and his family have had some paranormal experiences in the past and wonder if they accidentally captured a ghostly voice on their doorbell camera. But what do you think? Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe.
Oh my God, that was a big yacht. Yo, that dog though. Oh man, scared the shit out of me. Man, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, check out my gaming channel. I will be uploading on here some more reaction like at least 5 days in a row, because I gotta be out of here, you know. So I'm gonna have stuff uploaded with the days I'm gone. Just sit back and enjoy. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. We out.